For making potato sabzi, we need 2 potatoes which is cut in small pieces. We need electric kettle, we need red chili powder, we need coriander powder, turmeric powder and cumin, Maggi masala, ginger garlic paste and refined oil and some water. Okay friends, let's get started. Firstly, pour some 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil in electric kettle. Okay. Now switch on the electric kettle. When our oil gets hot, then take some cumin and use it. Now put the potatoes in kettle. And mix it. Now put the masalas in kettle. And mix all the masalas properly. Now add some ginger garlic paste and Maggi masala. Again mix it. Now take the water into kettle. And cover it for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. After 5 to 7 minutes, open our kettle and check the aloo. Yes, they are ready to eat. Okay. Now put our sabzi in a bowl or a plate. Okay. Finally, our sabzi will look like this and it is ready to eat.